What's he doing there?
A mid-air collision.
The Grand Canyon mid-air collision was such a spectacular event and such a huge loss of life, and it was two commercial jetliners colliding over the most colossal U.S. monument there is.
There's tremendous pressure on Partial to discover how and why this disaster happened.
Thanks, guys.
To recreate the final moments of both flights, Partial studies bent metal and streaks of paint.
They start to look at models to try and build a scenario that matches some of the minute clues that they may have, like impact marks, like paint transfer marks.
The paint transfer evidence tells Partial that the DC-7's left wing hit the constellation from behind.
It was obvious that the DC-7 had probably overrun the constellation from the right rear side. Had come apart, literally, knocked the tail off.
Without its tail section, the constellation falls out of the sky. Captain Shirley and the crew of the DC-7 would have struggled to avoid the same fate.
Come on, pull up! Pull up!
Investigators now understand the mechanics of the collision. But they still don't know why the two flight paths crossed.